Hi guys, it's George from Currys, and today we're going to be looking at 3 things we love on this Neff induction hob. It can handle pots and pans of any size, it lets you adjust the power to suit your timings, and it has easy to use touch controls. Now I'm going to get myself over to the lab to have a look at things in a little bit more detail. So it's equipped to handle large pots and pans, which makes it ideal for cooking those big family meals. Now, when it comes to cooking, it gives you more flexibility thanks to its combi induction technology, which allows you to merge 2 cooking zones together to give you a larger induction zone. Now, as you can see here, I've got a relatively large stock pot, and one cooking zone isn't going to give us the heat we're wanting to get the results we need. But what I can do here is press this button down here, merge these 2 cooking zones together, move the stock pot into the middle, and there we have it, those 2 cooking zones working together. It's also ideal when you're juggling between cooking different dishes at once and you want to keep the finished ones warm before serving. It lets you turn the front zones into cooking zones and makes the zones at the back operate at a lower temperature, ultimately keeping your food warm. And it keeps things simple, so you can set the power level, set a timer, or merge cooking zones in just a few easy taps using the touch controls. If you want to find out more info on this Neff induction hob, why not visit us in store, head online, or you can even chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.